Okay, we're putting together the rudder assembly for this 1978 Sunfish. This is the newer style rudder assembly. You've got a rudder cheek, the rudder bolts, got a pin for a spring here. It's going to go down to the rudder pin. This rudder pin is going to go in here. Spring's going to come between the two eventually. And you've got another hole here. That's where the tiller strap's going to go. One of these strapped tiller bolts here on the other end of the tiller strap with these two screws and bolts is going to be the tiller. Here's a nice ash tiller with a couple of coats of Total Boat Gleam on it. And here's the tiller extension will go on the end. And that's most likely our tiller extension bolt there. We started off underneath this rudder cheek here is a couple little of these plastic bushings. Tape those in place so when you slide this rudder cheek on, it stays where it needs to be. And next thing we're doing is trying to set the tension on this. Right now it's kind of loose, depending, you know, your preference how loose you want it to be. So a little 7/16 wrench inside, a little 17th socket. Just tighten it up. Now it won't move, so it's probably a little too tight. Yeah, come help me. Come help me. Videoing. One-handed with a three-handed operation going on here. See if I hold that.
Oh, what?
The box wrench there. Skipper's here. Everything's gonna be okay now. Loosen it a little bit. Oh, still too tight. Loosen a little more. Now it moves and it doesn't. Still rattle around a little bit. Now it's good. It's not rattling around too much, but it will go up and down when you get ready to flip the rudder up and down. A little trick here, just take a little bench vise, hold the end of the rudder there. Hey, Skipper's wearing a Kirby shirt. So we'll get the rest of these parts put on.